I just finished the most insane underwater heist, and it was all to save my hamster who needs knee surgery. After surviving giant lobster attacks and their skateboarding patrols, the lobsters stole the surgical fluid my hamster needed for knee surgery tomorrow. So I suited up, rallied my Terminator cyborg army, and descended 2 miles from the Titanic's resting place. The plan: get in, grab the fluid, get out while my cyborgs leveled the city. I breached their defenses, secured the canisters, and made it to the surface as explosions lit up the ocean floor. My hamster got his surgery, successful. Humanity got safer. And me? I proved that with the right tech, the right team, and a hamster counting on you, nothing can stop you.